Currently I'm working on a bunch of new ideas, mainly for Indiscreet. We recently put out a new video, Thief. That was our most recent release. We put it out as a single. Right now working on a few new Indiscreet songs. There's something I'm doing online for a particular project. It's quite a funny series called the Indian Pocket Billiards League. What's happening in the digital world these days, and the actual material world as well, the physical world, is that the technology has made it a lot more accessible for people to get involved and control, so to speak, the entire chain of events from ideating to finally sharing it. So it's become a lot more accessible for people like me to do a lot of pre-production at home, a certain amount of production at home as well, my home studio setup. I'll enhance that with studio-based activity, maybe vocal takes and things like that. Mixing, again, it's all done by mixing engineers in their own setups these days, which are home-based setups. And then there's the rest of the online world, which is social media, of course, to create a certain buzz around the stuff that you've put out. Studio monitors, near-field monitors, or big monitors are critical to any music production, because that is what you're basing your, not just your mix. It starts off with the sounds you choose, the sounds that you want to use. And the way it works for me is, even before I start to record, even before I start to program and construct, I hear it in my head. Now I need to take that into the programming and recording aspect of things. That's when I'll start to choose my sounds. Now when I'm choosing my sounds, I need to be able to monitor them very accurately, because what I'm hearing in my head is what I want to be hearing from my ears now, from an external source. Once I've constructed all of that, and most important process in that chain of events, which is the mix. And for a mix, a good pair of monitors is absolutely sacrosanct. So they're very important that there is as much transparency and you have as much familiarity with those monitors as you possibly can, because it's your ears and those monitors that are the interface and the gateway to the outside world and what everybody else listens to. For me, what I'm looking for most in a pair of monitors is integrity of sound. I don't like too much color, but I want it mostly flat and dry, because all the enhancements are going to come from the production aspect itself. I want it as transparent and as true to the source as possible, because that's when the reverb I put on makes sense. That's when the delay I put on makes sense. That's when the filters have relevance to what's going on. So I'm looking for transparency, integrity to the source sound as the most important thing. I've been using the SRP 400s for about 4 months now, 4 to 6 months, yeah. And these are honestly a completely fantastic pair of speakers. They really are an incredibly fabulous pair of speakers. They're very powerful, they're extremely deceptive in appearance. They look small and they look like these guys can deliver a lot of power. But what I love most about it is just the clarity and the integrity of sound. The sonic integrity is what I look for, and these guys, these little babies really deliver them. So I'm really happy. I use them for everything. I play my regular music, my hi-fi stuff through that, and which I would always do. Because when I'm creating music, I want to use the same pair of speakers, because I'm using the same benchmark for what I create as what I'm listening to, which has already been created in the best studios in the world. So I want the same reference, and so I use the same speakers, and I love them. But the deal here is, I like them so much, I love them so much, and I've got so used to them, and I connect with them so much that when I go into a studio to record a big project, I will probably take these guys with me, because I connect with them now, and along with whatever monitors are available in a particular studio, which are part of their setup, I would want these as my references as well. So I would recommend these alongside any of other stellar studio monitors available. I think these match up, if not excel, the best in the world.